Hello everybody. Today we will fix Windows 10 or 11 AirPods not connecting issue. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Go to Windows search bar, type control panel, click and open it. Click on sound. If your device is showing, make it to set as default. Method 2. Go to Windows search bar, type regedit, right click, run as administrator, expand H key local machine, expand system, expand current control set, expand control, expand class, search for E0CBF, right click, make a new string value, rename it to PNP capabilities, type value data 24. I have uploaded the address in my description. You can copy that from there. That's it. Thanks for watching.